If you've ever walked down the auto aisle wondering if those engine additives actually work, you're not alone. In this video, we reveal the hidden truth behind 13 additives that actually improve your car's performance, and expose the 5 that could outright destroy it. Stick around to make the right choice. Before we move on, I'd like to ask you a small favor. If you appreciate this content, please take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Over 98% of you watch the videos without subscribing. It costs you nothing, but it makes a huge difference to us. So, did you click the subscribe button? Great, thank you so much. Now, back to the video. Number 1, Techcron Concentrate Plus. Techcron Concentrate Plus sets itself apart with its powerful formula containing polyethylamine, or PEA. This compound is scientifically proven to remove stubborn carbon deposits from your engine. Automakers like GM and BMW highly recommend it, and real-world results back up their confidence. Drivers report smoother acceleration, cleaner fuel injectors, and even a noticeable boost in miles per gallon. For cars running low-quality fuel, Techcron can be a game changer. Some users even see a 2 mpg increase, combining better performance with extended engine life. Number 2, ATS Chemical 505 CRF. What if there was an additive so trusted by mechanics it's become their go-to for reviving aging engines? ATS Chemical 505 CRF is exactly that. Powered by PEA, it works effectively in both gas and diesel engines, enhancing fuel efficiency and calming rough idles. While it costs more than typical options, ATS Chemical 505 CRF delivers premium results worth every cent. Number 3, Liquole Heavyduty Oil Stabilizer. Could a thick oil additive really give your aging engine a second chance? Liquole Heavyduty Oil Stabilizer is designed specifically to meet the needs of older engines showing signs of wear and tear. It works by filling gaps in loose bearings, improving oil pressure, and even reducing engine noise, issues common in high mileage or poorly maintained engines. Number 4, Liquole MOS2. What if reducing engine friction by half could be as simple as using a German-engineered additive? Liquole MOS2 promises just that. Used in German taxi fleets and even aerospace applications, it creates a thin, pressure-resistant molybdenum disulfide layer on engine parts, preventing metal-on-metal contact. The immediate benefits: quieter cold starts, reduced engine noise, and noticeably smoother operation in high-mileage vehicles. Number 5, Hotshot Secret EDT. Did you know that ultra-low sulfur diesel, the standard for modern engines, could be quietly wearing yours down? By removing much of the sulfur content, this fuel loses the natural lubricating properties older diesel engines relied on, leading to increased metal wear and premature part failure. That's where Hotshot Secret Everyday Diesel Treatment EDT steps in. Diesel owners report up to a 7% gain in fuel efficiency, making it a clear win for long-term savings. For those seeking quieter, more efficient operation, EDT is a diesel must-have. Number 6, Seafoam Motor Treatment. Can a single additive really clean, stabilize, and boost your engine's performance? It's easy to doubt all-in-one solutions, but Seafoam Motor Treatment continues to build trust after 80 years. This century-old contender works across oil, fuel, and diesel systems, offering something few additives can: simplicity and versatility. While it doesn't match the sheer strength of PEA-based cleaners for heavy carbon buildup, Seafoam excels in maintaining older engines that are relatively well kept. It also stabilizes fuel, making it perfect for cars stored long-term. For budget-conscious owners, it's a practical, reliable option that covers multiple bases. Number 7, Marvel Mystery Oil. What's kept Marvel Mystery Oil a favorite for over a century? Its secret lies in a proven formula that continues to solve modern engine problems. High-mileage vehicles and classic cars especially benefit, as MMO tackles carbon deposits, reduces sludge, and even revives condemned EGR valves, repairs that might otherwise cost hundreds. Classic car enthusiasts often share stories of MMO prolonging the life of vintage engines, keeping them running smoothly despite decades of wear. Beyond that, its dual role as a fuel system cleaner and oil stabilizer works to prevent varnish, gum buildup, and excessive wear. Number 8, Hotshot Secret Diesel Winter AntiGel. Did you know untreated diesel fuel in winter could lead to repair bills reaching $2,000? That's because at around 10 degrees Fahrenheit, diesel-containing paraffin begins to gel, blocking fuel lines and leaving engines unable to start. For diesel owners in sub-zero climates, this is more than an inconvenience. It's a costly disaster waiting to happen. Hotshot Secret Diesel Winter AntiGel provides a reliable solution. By lowering the cold filter plugging point to as low as -40 degrees Fahrenheit, it keeps fuel flowing even in extreme cold, ensuring smooth starts and preventing breakdowns. Number 9. MOA Motor Oil Additive. What if one additive could keep your engine sludge-free for years? MOA Motor Oil Additive is designed to tackle stuck piston rings, one of the biggest culprits behind expensive engine repairs, costing drivers anywhere from $2,000 to $3,500. Its unique formula works by cleaning carbon deposits on piston rings, stabilizing oil viscosity, and preventing sludge and varnish buildup. Independent lab tests reveal it boosts oil's total base number TBN by up to 40%, strengthening its ability to neutralize harmful acids that corrode internal components. For car owners committed to maintaining their engines, MOA is an investment in longevity and peace of mind. Number 10. Lucas TB Zinc Plus. Did you know the same motor oil that works for modern vehicles might actually harm your classic car? Modern oils often lack ZDDP, or zinc dialkyl dithiaphosphate, a critical anti-wear component. Unfortunately, this deficiency can spell trouble for engines with flat tappet camshafts, leading to accelerated wear and costly repairs. This is where Lucas TB Zinc Plus steps in, boosting zinc levels to over 5,000 parts per million, far above standard oils 600 to 800 parts per million. Beyond classics, it's trusted in racing engines and during break-in periods where stress on engine parts is at its peak. For any pre-1994 vehicle, Lucas TB Zinc Plus is a must-have. Number 11. CRCGDI Intake Valve and Turbo Cleaner. Can a $20 spray really spare you an $800 repair bill? Gasoline direct injection, GDI. Engines are notorious for carbon buildup on their intake valves, up to 40% more than traditional engines after 100,000 miles. This buildup causes cold start misfires, rough idling, and sluggish throttle response, directly harming performance. Lab tests confirm its ability to restore intake valves, showing visibly reduced buildup through boroscopic inspections. Recommended every 10,000 miles, it prevents costly cleaning services while maintaining efficiency. For GDI engines, it's an affordable and proactive way to avoid deeper, expensive issues later on. Number 12. Gumout Fuel Injector Cleaner. Can a $5 additive really make a difference for your car's performance? It's natural to feel skeptical about low-cost solutions, but Gumout Fuel Injector Cleaner has built a solid reputation for delivering results without breakback. For just $5, a single 6-ounce bottle treats up to 21 gallons of gas, making it one of the most cost-effective options on the market. Its benefits are especially noticeable in older vehicles or those with inconsistent maintenance. Gumout restores smooth operation and efficiency, offering exceptional value for budget-conscious drivers. Number 13. ATPA T205 Reseal. What if you could stop those frustrating fluid leaks without spending thousands on gasket and seal replacements? For aging vehicles, leaks often happen because rubber seals lose their flexibility over time. They harden, crack, and allow fluids to seep out, creating unnecessary repair costs. That's where ATPA T205 Reseal comes in. This plasticizer restores the elasticity of brittle seals by rejuvenating the rubber and sealing leaks effectively. It works in various systems, including engines, transmissions, and even power steering or hydraulic setups. Its versatility also means you can use it externally, keeping suspension components supple. It's a practical, reliable solution. The right additive can be the difference between extending your car's life and facing expensive repairs. With so many products out there, some are scientifically proven to solve costly engine problems, while others can do more harm than good. That's why it's crucial to check labels, research thoroughly, and understand what your engine truly needs before making a choice. Protecting your vehicle is about taking small but smart steps. Choose additives that enhance performance, reduce wear, and provide long-term benefits. Protect your car, your wallet, and your peace of mind. Choose wisely and let the right product work.